Hello, I'm Pietro Volonnino from Punta Pacifica Realty. Today, I'm in the exclusive man-made Ocean Reef Islands in Panama City, where I'm gonna show you something special. I'm here at Solemar, where construction has officially begun. Solemar positions directly facing the marina, and it's one of the last marina-facing boutique developments available in Ocean Reef. Solemar is being developed by AMIJAI Group, a distinguished team of developers who are known for their sold-out and highly successful building called RMR on Island 2 of Ocean Reef. These buildings are also being done by the known architect Bettis Tarazi. There's only 6 waterfront residences in Solemar that offer exclusive waterfront living. Construction is well underway and the vision of Solemar is becoming a reality. The response has been exceptional and we only have 2 remaining residences available. The ground floor Marina Residence, offering approximately 7,100 square feet of expansive indoor and outdoor living space with a spectacular private pool overlooking the marina. The signature two-level penthouse, offering approximately 6,500 square feet, crowns the building with a 2-story layout, soaring vaulted ceilings, and generous entertaining spaces. This is a true trophy residence designed for those seeking space, elegance, and distinction within Ocean Reef Islands. What makes this project so special is its low-density concept with just 6 residences facing one of the most desirable marina front views in all of Ocean Reef. Solemar stands out for amenities such as an infinity pool with cabanas, a tanning pool and deck day beds, a chill lounge, and a fully equipped gym and sauna. Very few boutique developments like Solemar are packed with so many amenities. As the islands continue to mature and opportunities become increasingly limited, projects like Solemar are becoming harder and harder to find. If you have been considering Ocean Reef Islands, this may be one of the last opportunities to secure a new marina-front residence. If you want more information or need a detailed presentation, feel free to contact us at Punta Pacifica Realty. More information will be in the caption below.